He gets his first meal, dining on one of the richest milks in the mammal world, 55% fat. He'll guzzle as much as he can while his mother's here. In a month, she'll return to northern waters to feed, and he'll have to learn to fend for himself. But there's little sanctuary on the beach. The menacing waves plow into the beachside nursery, snatching pups from their mother's side. The surf claws at the pups as they struggle back. The newest pup is also in trouble. He's been tossed by the waves into a pile of debris. His mother stays close. As the storm surge recedes, some of the pups reunite with their mothers. The newest pup is one of the lucky ones. He manages to untangle himself and get back to his mother's side.